What's good, YouTube? What's good, people? What's going on? How is everybody doing? I guess you guys are having a wonderful trading week, and I guess you guys are doing the most and making sure that you stay out the lane. This is your boy Halim, and we back with another banger. So today's video will be strictly an educational video. I want to teach you guys, or let me just say, I want to show you guys how you can capitalize when we're in an uptrend, right? So, but I want to focus on how you can trade patterns, right? Your bull flag, your bull flag, your double bottoms, your falling wedge, your symmetric triangles, your cup and handles and everything like that. But I want to mainly focus on the basic pattern, and which is a double bottom, right? How to trade a double bottom, or how to capitalize, or how to see a continuation pattern every time you're in an uptrend, right? We're focusing on an uptrend. The coming week, we're focusing on a downtrend, right? We're strictly keeping this educational, and far most importantly, we're making sure that I will spit these gems for you guys so you can learn and understand and overcome all that you need to overcome. But before I get any further with the video, make sure you smash on that like button, you subscribe to the channel, you share the videos, you comment on the videos, you click the links to sign up with the brokers that I trade with, Quick Trade and Xness. Or if you're looking to, if you want to watch my day in the live vlogs, and more day in the live vlogs gonna be coming up soon, just turn on the notification bell and be ready for when we upload day in the live vlogs, right? Or if you're looking for a legitimate forex trading course, you guys know what to do. You guys know what TOT Academy came up with. We have a virtual mentorship session and we have an in-person mentorship session, right? So you can choose which do you want to capitalize on. But for us at the TOT Academy, we have came up with these courses strictly to help you guys, you YouTube traders who are constantly watching YouTube, looking for the next big move or the next big strategy or next big setups or skill to capitalize on. Or if you are tired of not seeing results or not seeing the consistency that you need as a trader, COT Academy has came up with these courses especially for you guys, right? So you guys know what to do. I've left my Instagram link right there, and I've left my number right there. So you choose what you want to do. Do you want to hit my DMs? Do you want to hit my line? Or do you want to hit my WhatsApp number? Or will you just comment on the comment section and just type I'm interested, and let's COT Academy do the rest from there. So let's hit the charts and let me share these gems with you guys. So when you're trading patterns, people, you have to understand that there is a continuation pattern and there is a reversal pattern. But today we're not focusing on a reversal pattern. We're strictly focusing on what? A continuation pattern, right? So continuation patterns, right, they based on having to confirm to us traders that from the trend that price is holding and the pattern that price is forming or printing out, there's a high possibility that price will continue with the direction that it has printed out, right? But in some terms, when you're trading continuation patterns, there are key elements that traders need to focus on, right? One, it's your direction. What's the overall direction? Two, it's your zones. What kind of zones has price printed out before it confirmed to you that we might continue moving in that overall direction? And three, we're strictly focusing on how is price printing out that continuation pattern. And four, we're focusing on where are we going to capitalize once this pattern has been confirmed, right? So strictly we're looking at gold because I always share educational content using NASDAQ, right? So today I'll be using gold, right? So when you're looking at the overall direction of gold, you can tell that price is in an uptrend, right? You can tell that we're doing what? We're creating highs, we're creating lows, we're creating highs, creating lows, creating highs, creating lows, creating highs, creating lows. You guys don't get that. Creating highs, creating lows, creating highs, creating lows, right? So it's a confirmed uptrend, right? So when you see that, okay, price is having a uptrend or gold is in a clean uptrend, you now have to do what? You now have to zoom in the charts and look at where everything happens, right? And look at where you can capitalize, right? So I'll be strictly using this zone right here. You guys can see this zone that I've printed out. I'll be strictly focusing on the zone, right? So price did what? Price created this all-time high and created this lower high, this higher low, I mean. And then we pushed to the upside, creating this all-time high. And then we pushed, creating this higher low, right? And then we pushed again, creating this all-time high. And then we pushed, creating this higher low. So when you see that, okay, price did what? Price created an all-time high and a low, created an all-time high and a low. And once you created an all-time high and created that low, you can now see that, okay, from us creating this low and this high and coming back to the previous low that price has printed out, why is price coming back to this very same low? This previous low price has printed out. Why is price coming back to the very same low, right? That's what you need to ask yourself as a trader before you tell yourself that, okay, we're having a confirmed double top, right? Ask yourself, why is price coming back to the very same low, right? So I now understand that, okay, based on this low that price has printed out, price came back to the very same low, right? So we did what? Let me repeat. So we did what? We created an high, that all-time high, right? And then we created our what? Our low. And then we created our high, created our low, created our high, and created our low. So when you see that this low and this low is one and the same thing, right? These two lows are one and the same thing. So even when you're trading support and resistance, it's clear to you that, okay, price has printed out support, right? What's there for us to confirm that we'll continue moving up, right? Because we now know that from price creating this low and price coming back to the very same low, we now are having a confirmed support 1, or we're having a confirmed double top 2, right? There's two things that you can say price has printed out, but in this instance I will just say price has confirmed the clean double bottom, right? So from this low and this low, what reasons do we have to gather as traders that will confirm to us that from what price is showing us and what price is printed out, price will continue moving with the overall direction, which is an uptrend, right? So I now look at the previous history and try and see what led price into pushing and creating that all-time high, right? So I can tell that, okay, from price creating this low, we had a bear engulfing candlestick, and we had a indecision candlestick, and we had a pin bar and a pin bar and a pin bar and a pin bar. So we had 4 hours. We had like 4 or 5 hours of price rejecting the very same low that price has printed out, or the very same higher low that price has printed out. We've been rejecting opening bearish and closing bullish, 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 right? So I now understand that, okay, from this low, price has momentum, right? We're having bullish momentum on this very same higher low, right? So price came back to the very same higher low. Now what do I see? I can tell that, okay, we had a bear engulfing candlestick, just like the previous price section that has printed out, right? We have a bear candlestick, we had a bear engulfing candlestick, and the coming candlestick we had a bullish candlestick that closed above our very same double bottom, or you can simply say it's that support zone, right? So when you now have these two candlesticks, I now have to tell myself as a trader or professional traders, what do professional traders do, right? once we have price having a bear candlestick and a bullish candlestick and the coming candlestick closing bullish, right? So the first bullish candlestick is a confirmation, right, that okay, from what price has printed out and where price is, there might be a possibility that price will continue with the overall direction, right? Because we have a bear candlestick and we have a bullish candlestick, and the second bullish candlestick is our confirmation. Once this candlestick closes, we now know that okay, from this bear candlestick and bullish candlestick and the coming bullish candlestick, we can tell that we slowly are moving away from the double bottom that price has printed out, or that support zone that price has laid out, right? We now are drifting away. And once you see something like this, you now have to tell yourself from the third candlestick that okay, there's a high possibility that price will continue with the overall direction, and we're targeting our previous highs. And that's just the way it has to be. We're not looking for price to give us those new all-time highs, or we're not looking for a crazy pip to catch. We're just simply looking for something simple, right? We're taking what price is giving us, because we know that okay, we have a confirmed move, that okay, price has printed out what it has printed out, right? We're having what? Previous higher low, and price came back to the same previous higher low. So coming back to the very same previous higher low, we now zoom in and use candlesticks to confirm that okay, from the previous higher low the price has printed out, and coming back to the very same previous higher low, what's that will confirm that price has printed out a double bottom. We might be looking for a continuation to the upside. We had a bear engulfing candlestick, and we had a bullish candlestick, and we had the second bullish candlestick that confirmed to us that we're drifting away from where price is, and we might be looking to do it to continue moving to the upside. And that's just the way it has to be. You don't have to be the first trader that confirms that okay, this is a double top, let's just take, this is a double bottom, let's take our trades. No, you have to wait and get stronger and further confirmation into what do you have to do as a trader before you can capitalize, right? In this instance, I waited for 2 candlesticks before I can get a confirmation into what I have to do. I guess you can also do the same thing, because patience and discipline is the key to becoming a professional forex trader, right? So this is what I wanted to share with you guys, and this is what I wanted to lay down and make sure that you can get, you can learn, and you can go out there and capitalize independently with no one else, right? So without further ado, guys, these are the gems that I wanted to share with you guys, and this is the video that I know that it will hit the masses and it will help you guys out there, and it will make you guys benefit like I benefit, right? But without further ado, make sure you like, you subscribe, you share the video, you comment on the video, you click the links to sign up with the brokers that I use, or check them out there in the live vlogs. I've left my links right there. Or if you're looking for a legitimate forex trading course, you guys know what COT Academy has came up with. You just have to capitalize and capitalize and capitalize before prices go up and before the spaces get to an end. But without further ado, this is your boy Harlem. That's all I got on this video.